Hello. Hello. Okay. Okay. Today I'm going to cook ribs, baby back ribs, barbecue ribs. See all the barbecue here. It's already washed. So I grill it. But first I wanted to marinate it, to cook it slowly so that becomes softer. I'm going to show you how I marinate it. Yeah, I'm using this barbecue sauce. This is very nice. Yeah, but I will just add the water first because I want to make it tender the ribs. So this amount water. Always slow cook first before you grill it. So just a little bit of this one, just a little bit of chili sauce. This is just to and light sauce. This is the onion powder. No need organic, it's okay. Ginger powder, sea salt. This is sea salt and garlic. So a good splash of this one. And yeah, you mix it. So nice, this garlic and the salt. Make sure you mix everything, and then yeah, it's all guys. I'm going to add in this one so that I'm going to. And then after that we cover it with aluminum foil. Cook 20 minutes for 200 Celsius, and then for like 30 minutes only. And then lower your oven to 150. For 2 hours, and you have a very soft ribs, grilled ribs. It will just pull off with the bones. Later I'm going to show you how. So just like this, guy. Yeah, let me cover this one with aluminum foil. This one go to the side. Aluminum foil here, and the ovens are already heated up. Okay. Let's cover it so that you want it will cook properly. You'll have a So guys, I'm in the oven here. So I put 200. Yeah, I will cook for 30 minutes, 200 Celsius. Then later I will just bring down to 150. I will cook for 2 hours.
A few moments later.
Hello. Okay, let's check our ribs, our baby back ribs, grilled baby back ribs. I already, as what I said just now, I cook it for 30 minutes in 200 Celsius. Now, after that 30 minutes, I lower the oven to 150 for 2 hours, and let's check it out. Look at it. So, guys, now the moment of truth. Open slowly. See? Oh, it's very soft already, and it's well, like, just take out this one. Let's see. See, it will fall off from the bones. Oh, okay. But anyway, I will going to. So now I'm going to put the rest of the barbecue sauce. Okay, just like this, and I grill it again. Don't waste. There's a little bit of water. Hey. Okay, we put back again in the oven. Wipe back. So this is it, guys. Okay, guys, it's like this. I already mixed the rest of the barbecue sauce, so I will put that in the oven. Hey, okay. Our ribs is looking good. So that's what I did. After I put this one, the remaining barbecue sauce, I put back there. And I will put to another 200 again. Just for 10 minutes. Yeah, and then it's done.